Hi everybody, Paul here again. Vehicles with turbochargers has taken the market by storm because of their increased power output, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. However, it's becoming increasingly common for owners not to even know that their vehicle has a turbocharger, and that's not good because they need to be driven and maintained differently. Depending on the make, model, and year, a vehicle may have one or two turbochargers. Most turbochargers on standard gasoline engines will spin between 150,000 to 250,000 RPMs, which is crazy fast. This can cause turbochargers to reach temperatures over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is incredibly hot. Most gasoline engines like this one that do not have a turbocharger will maintain engine oil temperatures between 230 and 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Most gasoline engines that do have a turbocharger can exceed engine oil temperatures over 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This means if you own a vehicle with a turbocharger, the oil is going to break down a lot faster. Unknown to most owners is the oil that lubricates the turbocharger is typically the same oil that lubricates the engine. If you own a vehicle with a turbocharger, there are two things that you need to do in order to avoid premature costly problems. The first thing is when you're driving and reach your destination and put it into park, before turning the engine off, let it idle for at least 2 minutes so that the turbocharger can cool down. If you don't do this, the turbocharger will prematurely fail. The second and last thing is timely engine oil changes, which should always be based on mileage or time. Engines with turbochargers should have the oil changed more frequently than engines that do not have turbochargers. Even if you're using the latest greatest synthetic oil, change the engine oil every 3,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. If you do this, life will be good and you'll avoid a lot of future costly problems. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. And while you guys are working on your car, I'll be working on a tan on this beautiful white sandy beach.